Good morning, do nights. How you all are? Hale and hearty? I know that. Today is 7th of December 2021, Tuesday. What a fine day. And today is Armed Forces Flag Day also. Since 1949, 7th December is observed as the Armed Forces Flag Day throughout the country to honor the martyrs and the men in uniform who bravely fought on our borders to safeguard the country's honor. They are there, that's why we are safe at our home. So today's assembly is a tribute to all the army men, all the military men, those who are safeguarding our borders. Let's begin the morning assembly.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भले जिंदगी दे। वैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा दे, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
They stay awake so that we can sleep. They live in discomfort so that we can live in comfort. Thanking our soldiers on the occasion of Indian Armed Forces Flag Day. Yes, the Armed Forces Flag Day or the Flag Day of India, is commemorated in the honor of the martyrs and the men in uniform, safeguarding us on the borders of our country. To honor those valiant martyrs, 7th of December is observed as the Armed Forces Flag Day throughout the country ever since the year 1949. It is a day to keep reminding us about our responsibilities as civilians. If we cannot be present and fight at the war front, then we can definitely remain backstage to provide support and care to the families and loved ones of our valiant warriors. During the course of achieving victories and in combating the ongoing cross-border terrorism and insurgency, the armed forces have lost and continue to lose valuable lives. The trauma that the family suffers on the demise of the head of the family is hard to fathom. Every year, about 60,000 defense personnel are compulsorily retired. Caring for these ex-soldiers and their families is therefore a national responsibility of ours. It is for these reasons we observe the Armed Forces Flag Day. On this day, the services rendered by the personnel of Army, Navy, and Air Force are remembered. It is the collective duty of every Indian to ensure rehabilitation and welfare of the dependents of our brave martyrs and disabled personnel. The Flag Day gives us an opportunity to contribute most generously to the Armed Forces Flag Day Fund. Always remember, we are safe, happy, and smiling just because we have our armed forces taking care of us, taking the charge of their duties 24/7. They who sacrifice all their comforts, they who give up their lives, need our support as well to keep moving on. Wishing everyone a very happy Armed Forces Flag Day. As an Indian, let us all take pride in having such a courageous and zealous army. Here, I would like to sing 2 lines from the famous song. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगो, ज़रा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद।
The significance of the day is brought home through electronic and print media. In some places, armed forces also arrange variety show, cultural show. It consists of dance, skit, song, magic show and many more entertainment items. Painting competitions are organized for the students. Isn't this amazing? Nice? Interesting? I know, it sounds interesting. Token flag and car stickers in red, deep blue and light colors representing the 3 services are distributed to the public throughout the country by Kendriya Sainik Board. So my dear students, we all should donate generously for our armed forces as we all love our motherland. So say along with me, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Hind.